What's up guys, Izzy is here again, and today I bring you the Tecno Spark 4. I'll be unboxing this device. This is the successor to the Spark 3. Let's see what this device has to offer. You get the familiar orange box that is known to the Tecno Spark series. And at a glance from the box, you can see the specs of the phone. It has 32 gigs of storage and 2 gigs of RAM. You also get 13 megapixel triple AI camera, 6.52 inches dot notch screen, the AI bright camera, 4000 mAh battery, and face unlock 2.0. Without wasting much time, let's open the box and see what we get inside. The first thing you see is the phone with the specs printed on the sticker covering the phone. This is the royal purple color variant. You have the 3 cameras at the back and the fingerprint sensor at the back. On the right side of the phone, we have the volume rocker keys and the power key. And on the left side, you have just the SIM card tray. At the bottom, we get the speaker grill, the micro USB port, the microphone, and the headphone jack. We have the warranty card and the Files by Google card, which has an app installed on your phone for easier file management. Also, you get the silicone casing right out of the box, which should do a good job of protecting your phone. You also get a screen protector right out of the box, though it's not glass, but before you get a glass screen protector, this should do the job. You also get the white Tecno earpiece for playing music and calls, and in the box you also get the Tecno charger 5 volts, sadly not fast charging. We have the SIM ejector too, and we also have the USB charging cable. This is all you get from the box. Let's put all these aside and remove the sticker from the front of the phone to unveil the 6.52 inch dot notch screen, as Tecno calls it. I have to say, it's a nice looking screen. Looking at the back of the phone, it reminds me of the design on the Tecno Camon 12. The back of the phone is made out of plastic. Funny enough, you get this smell of new plastic when you peel out the sticker from the phone. Though it's made out of plastic, the build quality is actually nice. It doesn't feel like a cheap smartphone. Considering the price of this phone, it feels really nice to hold in the hand. The camera is the same as we have on the Camon 12. Powering up the phone, the boot up process was not actually the fastest, probably because it's the first time boot, so it should be faster at subsequent times. Let's quickly run through the setup. After setup, we have a nice looking display, even though it's 720p. I'd like to use the silicone casing that comes with the phone. It actually feels sturdy. The bottom part has covering for the headphone jack and the micro USB port. It's a 720p LCD 6.52 inch dot notch display. I would say this will do very well when using it for media consumption, considering the screen to body ratio. The phone is fast, it doesn't really feel slow. So far it runs smoothly. I'm yet to install apps, so when I do, I will find out how well this phone can hold up. I must say, this phone contains a lot of bloatware. This is bloatware heaven. I'll definitely uninstall all these bloatware apps from the phone. Make sure you stick around when I do my phone review, when I put this phone to the ultimate test. So that's my unboxing and quick review of the Tecno Spark 4. I will do a full review in 2 or 3 days after using this device intensively. If there's anything you'd like to see in my full review, leave a comment down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, peace.